Smoking noodles. I really want to do short nails, but I feel like doing short nails acrylic is waste of money. So I'll just I love this one. I really love this one. Oopsie. Ooh. I don't know. So you guys to choose from. Should I make it like plain like this? Or like should I make it plain or should I do the one that has like a flower like all these flowers instead of just doing plain? I'm not really a fan of decoration. I love this but I don't want to do French tips again. I love this but I don't want to do French tips again. Okay, we're done with the nails. Let's go to dresses. For birthday shoot, I don't want to do too much. I just want a simple sitting on the bed. Like I'm not even doing this like yeah, perfect. This is perfect. Something like this. See how simple this is? Like just on bed with cake and balloon. I think I should save this. Yeah, I love it. I love that. Yeah. She got my vibe, really. I don't know. It's another one. Just simple. It's another one. Simple, like not too much. I don't wanna do too much. Yeah, that's what I want actually. I was supposed to cook this thing with egg, but my egg finished, and I'm too lazy to go and buy egg. Like I don't have energy at this point. Like I just want to eat and watch movie. And my network have just been stressing me out. I've never coiled this hair before. My sister gave me this hair last 2 years. Is it last 2 years or last year? Last 2 years, and I'm trying to do a heatless coil. So yeah, I want the hair first. I feel like this is where the camera well.